Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use a Dasher Direct virtual card. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Here are the instructions to use the Dasher Direct virtual card. So firstly, open up your Dasher application, tap on Earnings, and then tap on Learn More to apply. Now wait for approval. Once your application is approved, you will gain access to your Dasher Direct virtual card. Then you can view your Dasher Direct virtual card details within the Dasher Direct app. After that, you can use your virtual card for online purchases, bill payment, transfers, and any transactions that do not require you to swipe or insert a card. Now activate your physical card. If you have a physical card, use the Dasher Direct app to activate it. So that's basically how you can use a Dasher Direct virtual card. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.